In this video, we will discuss type of. The type of operator is used to get the data type and returns a string. Operator can either be a letter or a data structure variable function. Operator returns the data type, like here I have taken x and in it I have defined data type of 4 plus 7. I know it is a number, but I have console.log it so that I can get an output. So here I have console log string by using type of. Type of is built in through which we get to know the type. What we do is we write type of and then add the round braces and then check whether it is string or number. So now we have console.logged it. We will check it. So here we inspect it. We go to console, number and string. First is number and second is string. Let's look at another example. What I've done here is I have taken a number index. So what it is doing is I have taken a number index and a variable result. What I have done is I have checked its type, and to alert it if the type is number, so in it will check first the type of index. It is number, so we have come to know that it is number. Okay, it is number, so it will be true. In the result, it will return true or false in here. So it will be true and result will be in alert, so it will give us true. We will also run it once, save it in here. If I run it, it has returned true. Okay, let's close it from here. Now let's look at another example. Okay, here in description I write name. Taken whichever string. So here I have to check the description, and if it is string, to alert it in result. I have taken a string before, so it will return true. So I go back and it will return true. In case I don't take a string, here I take a number. What it will do is it will return false. So you know what the data types are of this because of type of. So this is it for this video. We will meet in the next video.